In this video we are going to see string formatter. So using string formatter, how we can format a string. So now we take string instance, for template, and order number is %s. Now one string, new formatter, and it has one method format, and in format we pass here actual string which is used to format, and here pass parameter. And it will in object, for that we convert into string. So formatter class, it has format method, and which contain first parameter our template, just like order number is %. So I want is %s with replace with order number. So now result. Now run this program. Now see, order number is this value. So here successfully formatted the string using formatter. So it is import from util package, and it has format method and contains actual string and parameter.